Ninth class. Now, today we are going to study about rules of binomial nomenclature. There are three rules discussed here. First rule is that scientific names they are usually printed in italics, such as Homo sapiens, while when they are handwritten they are underlined like this. They are underlined. Homo underlined, sapien underlined. Second rule is that the first term, that is the generic name, it should be capitalized, always capitalized, while the second name, which is the species name, it is never capitalized. It is always written from the small letter. Then third is scientific name is generally written in the full name when it is written firstly, but when several species from the same genus they are being listed, it may then be abbreviated by just using the initial for the genus. For example, Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli, E. coli, it will be written as E. coli. Now we move to this important topic, significance. Write the significance or importance of the binomial nomenclature. This is long question. In biological research, common names they cause many problems. For example, different regions they have different names for the same organism. For example, common name of the onion in Urdu it is piyaz, but in different regions of Pakistan it is also known as ganda, it is also known as basal, it is also known as basal. In other countries it has other sets of the name, but in science it is known for a single name, Allium cepa. This is the scientific name. It is not confusing any country in the research. In some cases different organisms they are called for the same name. For example, the name of blackbird it is used for the crow as well as for the raven. It also causes the confusion. So common names they has no scientific basis. The common name they causes many problems in discussion in the research work. For example, fish is a vertebrate animal. It is vertebrate animal. It has vertebral column, and its characteristic is that it contains the fins and the gills. But several common names of many organisms as silverfish, as crayfish, jellyfish, starfish, these are although invertebrate, they are not vertebrate. They do not fit the biologist's definition of a fish, but their name is crayfish, silverfish, starfish, like this. So to avoid all these confusions, the organism they are given scientific names by using binomial nomenclature. There is the list of these scientific name. Onion is Allium cepa. Common sea star, the starfish name, scientific name is the Astrus robens, while the house cry it got the scientific name as Corvus splendens. This is all about the significance of or importance of binomial nomenclature.